Hello, my name is Harald Erös. I'm here the lead of refrigeration, cooling and heat pump systems on Takeda manufacturing site in Vienna. You know, I have 2 kids and I think we have to keep the future in mind. It's really important for me to do something, let's say, something important, something that I'm proud of. And to be honest, I'm really proud of the things we did here at Takeda. It's that we produce steam out of hot water, 70 degrees, and heat it up to 184 degrees Celsius steam. And that's something that has never been done before, so this is really unique. With this project, we can reduce our CO2 footprint on site for steam production to 0 over half of the year. And that means around about 90% over the whole year. The project is divided in 2 parts. One is the scientific part, because this compressor that is used has never been built before. So we are on one hand in the researching team and we are handling issues with flammable refrigerants, with oil and all of that. And the other issue is we want to implement this here on site. So it's not only that the system will be running in a laboratory, it's really working here on site. The last time I went here to Takeda with the bus, I get out of it and I saw at the bus station a big picture of a cooling unit. And it says, we're doing this AHEAD project and we are going to be net zero in future. And you know, this makes me really proud because we really tell it, okay, look at it, this is important. The feedback that we got for the AHEAD project was overwhelming. People from Austria, from Europe, from the US, from Japan contacted us and said, how are you gonna do this? It's planned that the system is duplicatable, so it's an opportunity for Takeda to be the net zero greenhouse gas emission operator.